Hi, welcome to River Crossing Guest House. Very well equipped so that you don't have to bring anything. There's even an ironing board and an iron in the bedroom, and we have activities for you to do in the winter. Cross-country skis are available in various sizes, skates, sleds of different types, and snowshoes. If you'd like to visit our farm on Open Farm Day, we'll be available on September 15th to show you an observation beehive. You can enjoy a wiener roast with us and have some iced tea sweetened with honey. And also we'll have a geocache where you can find the location of the old ferry river crossing and leave with a souvenir.